Kasama po ni PBB.
Well, ang aking reaction sa statement ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. is of course nakakataba ng puso, not just for the Philippine Coast Guard and the Armed Forces of the Philippines, but even for ordinary Filipino fishermen. And secondly, natutuwa ako dun sa statement niya na we are not greedy, we're not racist, and we're not liars. Para sa akin, etong tatlong pangungusap ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. is a good summary to respond sa mga nangyari sa loob ng 2 linggo mula sa pangangkam ng Batanes hanggang sa AI video and of course the most recent incidents na nangyari sa Ayungin at sa Baho de Masinloc. So para sa akin, this is something na vindicate ako dahil ito ang pagtindig ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos. And lastly, what I really appreciated dun sa statement sa SONA ni Pangulo is yung panawagan niya sa ating lahat bilang Pilipino na despite of our differences, political man or other reasons, kailangan natin magkaisa bilang Pilipino dahil ito ay papamana natin sa susunod na saling lahi ng Pilipino.
Pero for the last year po ni PBB, anong ine-expect pa natin from the past?
Well, as part of the uniform service, I am not entitled to request or to demand to the Commander-in-Chief. Para sa akin, I'm very satisfied with the support that we are receiving from the Senate and Congress, and of course, pamumuno ng ating Commander-in-Chief, President Ferdinand Marcos, in giving us explicit guidance in dealing with the People's Republic of China.